Yes, I Help tutorials. Tutorial, how to withdraw. Log into your account.
Preview.
Click on the Financial tab and then on Withdrawals. If it's your first time making a withdrawal, register your wallet to receive in USDT. Click on Update Wallet. Go to your exchange platform, such as Binance. Click on Deposit and select USDT. Choose the Matic Polygon network. Copy your wallet address. Return to the Yes, I Help website and paste your wallet address. Enter your security password and click on Add Wallet. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Re-enter your security password and click on Withdraw. Check your email inbox and open the message from Yes, I Help. Click on Authorize Withdrawal. Confirm that you are a human. Wait for the funds to arrive in your wallet.